Hi folks, just a quick vlog regarding Birchbox. It's the only one that I actually subscribe to anymore. This is how it comes in a nice wee box. Then inside the box is another box. These boxes are it's all recyclable now, which is quite good. Birchbox. Let's see what we got this month. I don't like to read the card when I open it because I like the surprise. But I suppose I could open it so we could go through it together. So some of the products come and they're full size, some of them come and they're samples. Let's go with the first one. Nail polish, lovely colour. This is a full size nail polish, it's worth £15. And this is a cranberry colour, so that's pretty nice. Not that as a nurse I wear nail polish very much, but it might be nice for Christmas. It's this one here, a full size of multitasking eye gel. It's worth £21.50 if you want to buy it. That's pretty good. They're normally quite good. I like to smell. Wait, let's smell. Yeah, no smell. That's quite nice. So that's that one. This is a multitask repair treatment for your hair. £23. Amica the Cure. I have actually bought one of the hair products from Birchbox. Oh, it's quite runny. Wait, let's smell it. It smells fine. I have bought one of the Birchbox hair products before and I found it really good. So that's £23, but that would probably do my length of hair twice. Let's see what it's like. This next one, a body cleanser. This is £3 for this size. See what it smells like. Lovely. Lemongrass and rosemary. £3 for that. I mean, you wouldn't normally pay that for something so small. And this one must be on the back. Ooh, £85. Sunday Riley. This is a glycolic acid treatment. Obviously, it's not. This is just the sample one, but yeah, dull congested skin. So that is my Birchbox. So honestly, I'll probably maybe use the fancy nail polish at Christmas time, since it's £15. The eye gel, I'll maybe use it. I know it's the full size one, but I do like my number 7, but it's nice to have a try. Obviously, I'm never going to buy the £85 glycolic acid, but I'll try that one. That'll be handy. I'll throw it in the shower, see how I get on. And the hair treatment, I will try. £23 for a full one, but it's something with having naturally grey hair. It's really, you find that grey hair is really, really dry. So that is my October Birchbox. If you like that vlogs, let me know, and I'll video them when I get my next one in. If you would like to try Birchbox, folks, you can sign up for it. I'll put the link in the description box below. And if you use my code, which I can pop in there, it's LLQ9K, that would be really great. Thanks, folks. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.